Jesus commanded, let the truth be heard. In summer head of dusty road, he let us hear Jehovah's word. He loved God's sheep and called to everyone. He serves the land from the sunrise till the day was done. From door to door and in the street, we share with everyone we meet the news, the soul, man's trouble, all will be done. Search the world for plans of peace in every nation. Search to find a heart inclined towards salvation, wanting to leave no stone unturned. Time waits for no one, so the search goes on. A million hearts, a million lives, we give our heart to say just one. Love is the force that makes us whole again. A wounded heart can be healed and broken lives can mend. We search the towns and seas where, and when we find someone who cares, the joy we feel inspires us to go on.